Okay, welcome back to JavaScript Arithmetic Part 2. And in this video, I'm going to show you a few more examples starting with increments. We're dealing with increments right now. How do you conduct increments in JavaScript? Alright, let's get started. Doc type HTML. Open up the HTML tag. Open up the body tag h1 and then say the plus plus or the increment operator. Okay, and close the h1 tag. Then open up the paragraph tag and say id is equal to demo. Okay, and close the paragraph tag here, and then say script var x, declare the variable var x is equal to 5, end of statement, x plus plus, end of statement, var z is equal to x, end of statement, document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to z, close the script tag, close the body tag, and close the html tag. Right, let's save this as increments. Okay, what should happen is that you should be able to double 5 plus plus x plus plus. Okay, remember x plus plus means you are adding a number after x. Okay, let's save it as html dot html. Okay, let's find this file, increments. There you go. Plus 1 plus plus. Okay, it's the same thing. So you add 1 to 5, which is 6. Okay, what happens if I do this as a decrement? Let me write it here. Decrement. Okay, just change this whole thing into minus. Okay, let me delete this one here and save it as file. Save as decrement. Okay, save. And let's find it. I didn't save it yet as HTML. Let me save it as HTML as well. Dot HTML. Save. There you go. 4. Okay, it's going to take away 1 from 5, which is 4. X minus minus is 5 minus 1. X minus 1. Same thing. Alright, so what if we have an example in which I can demonstrate operator precedence? Okay, let's do just that in this example. Type doc type HTML. Okay, let me get rid of this. I don't want it to affect the program. And write HTML and body, and then write paragraph, and then say multiplication has precedence over addition. Okay, and close the paragraph tag, and then open up the paragraph tag and say id is equal to demo, close it. All right, open up the script tag and say document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to 100 plus 50 multiplied by 3. Now I need you to tell me which part of the sum is going to be solved first. Okay, as we know, in the algebraic expression in arithmetic, multiplication is solved first. Okay, so let's run this code and see what kind of answer we get. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and save it as, I've already saved it as precedence. Let me save it as HTML file as well. .html, save. And let me find this file, precedence p MNOP, there you go. Okay, so what happened here was you multiplied 50 times 3 and you added 2 to it, 100 to it. 50 times 3 is 150, and 150 plus 100 is 250. Okay, just what if we make a slight change here? What if I add a bracket here? What will happen? You're right. It's going to be 100 plus 50 times 3. And then you could say that brackets have precedence over multiplication. Okay. Let me go ahead and save this and just refresh this file here. There you go. What does this mean? It means it's 150 times 3. Alright. 150 times 3. Why? Because stuff in brackets, it gets any expression within the bracket will be solved first, and then it would go to the next operator. Okay, what if we have an interesting situation in which operators have the same precedence? What will happen? Let me write this expression here. I'll just change areas of code to save time. When many operations have the same precedence, they are computed from left to right. Okay, and document.getElement by id.innerHTML is equal to, what if it was 100 plus 50? Okay, let's remove the bracket. What if it's 100 plus 50 minus 3? What happens here? Let's find out. I'm just going to save it, and upon saving it, I'm just going to refresh this page. When many operations has the same precedence, they are computed from left to right. Okay, I did not say properly. Okay, when many operations have the same precedence, they are computed from left to right. So if you start computing from left to right, what you get is 100 plus 50 is 150 minus 347. Okay. All right. So congratulations, you've mastered a lot of basics here in this particular video. What I have next for you are the exercises. Okay, I'm just going to type down the exercise for this video, and I strongly advise you to try to practice it. And if you have any questions, just email me at zubia@qualityforlife.ae. Okay, let me open up this doc type. All right, great. And then open up the HTML tag, open up the body tag, paragraph tag, ID is equal to demo, and then you need to say display the result here. Okay, whatever you want to compute, write it here. It's up to you what you want to do, but just try to get your hands dirty with code. Script bar X. This expression is completely open to any kind of changes that you want to make. Var Y, script, and then you need body tag. Close the body tag. And you also need to close the HTML tag. And I'm going to go ahead and save it as an exercise. Try to conduct this exercise. Whatever you want to do here, I want you to display the result here. And remember, you need to be using concepts covered in this chapter. We were talking about operator precedence and the kind of operators that you have at your disposal and how you can change them to output results. So before I begin with the next video, which is JavaScript assignment. I want you to make sure that you practice this exercise using many different scenarios and many different problem scenes. And remember, just write down your expression here that you would be what you hope to accomplish through the program. And here I need you to do all your scripting. Use your operators, remember your operator precedence, and all of the issues that we covered in this video. All right, I'm going to end this video now, and up next is JavaScript assignment. See you there.